Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. Make it sure that you have lunchbox. Make it sure that you have lunchbox. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck your shirt in. Are you happy with your life? Are you happy with your life? How you got late? How you got late? This is why I was afraid of. This is why I was afraid of. You are an apple of my eye. You are an apple of my eye. Exactly, you are right. Exactly, you are right. Now what? Now what? Like or comment if you like the video and subscribe our channel to get new English videos regularly. You make a noise loudly. You make a noise loudly. Don't laugh at the poor. Don't laugh at the poor. Never miss the prayer. Never miss the prayer. What is the aim of your life? What is the aim of your life? Why don't you clean your hand? Why don't you clean your hand? I have a word with you. I have a word with you. No, it's not acceptable. No, it's not acceptable. Do as you are told. Do as you are told. Let him sleep. Let him sleep. Who blasted the balloon? Who blasted the balloon? How much is your school fee? How much is your school fee? This book is torn. This book is torn. Do your work on your own. Do your work on your own. The bus is in your wait. The bus is in your wait. Why are you making noise? Why are you making noise? Don't rely upon others. Don't rely upon others. No way anymore. No way anymore. You have made it. You have made it. Don't show me your face again. Don't show me your face again. No way. No way. You haven't completed your homework yet. You haven't completed your homework yet. Afraid of being fallen. Afraid of being fallen. How much should I pay you? How much should I pay you? This is unbearable. This is unbearable. Why you broke the glass? Why you broke the glass? Don't intervene in this matter. Don't intervene in this matter. Never believe in rumors. Never believe in rumors. What if you were a girl? What if you were a girl? Clean your ears. Clean your ears. I won't give you chance again. I won't give you chance again. What's the matter? What's the matter? Avoid being pretentious. Avoid being pretentious. I am preparing my kids. I am preparing my kids. This notebook is torn. This notebook is torn. You are being extravagant. You are being extravagant. Extravagant means spending much more than is necessary or spending too much money. Don't lend or borrow to anyone. Don't lend or borrow to anyone. Let him play. Let him play. Which subject is your favorite one? Which subject is your favorite one? Or what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. Make it hurry. Make it hurry. Why are you not sleeping? Why are you not sleeping? How many classes do you want to study? How many classes do you want to study? The time waits for none. The time waits for none. Bring a towel. Bring a towel. I want it now. I want it now. What was today's homework? What was today's homework? Bring milk from market. Bring milk from market. I want the truth from your mouth. I want the truth from your mouth. What would you eat today? What would you eat today? I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.